city, rag rag mein.
And the name of the show is called Takatak Mumbai. My name is Rohit Veer. आप लोगों का स्वागत है on
Thank you.
Of course, the film का trailer is looking good, and I know it's been a long day for you. What kind of responses are you getting so far, Pulkit?
We've been getting a very good response. Yeah.
जी.
ट्रेलर लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया. अच्छे रिव्यूज मिले, अच्छा फीडबैक मिला है.
some cases.
और सॉन्ग्स भी, I think नचांगे सारी रात.
जी.
People are appreciating it a lot.
Yes.
More than it a lot. I think they are appreciating Yami a lot. They've forgotten that I'm also there in the song, which we all forgot when we saw the rushes.
Yeah, but as in, were you also at least looking at yourself, or you also looking at Yami?
No, everybody was looking only at her.
Yeah.
She herself is looking at her.
That's
it.
That's really mean.
You have to see how she watches her own trailer on the big screen.
That's really mean.
If she's here and she has to, like, if this is Yami.
जी मतलब ऐसा ऑडियो मतलब अगर ऑडियो एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो तो people can only hear us. So अगर यामी
वो सिर्फ अपने आप को देखती है.
Yeah.
You mean to say जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ वहाँ मेरी गर्दन घूमती है.
But that's also right with everybody, no? Whoever is like, you know, नहीं?
मैं पूरी पिक्चर देखता हूँ.
क्या बात करते हो? अपने आप को नहीं निहारते हो मतलब क्या लग रहा हो मतलब you know पहली बार ऐसा flirtatious आर्मी ऑफिसर देखा हमने.
मुझे दुनिया निहारती है मैं क्यों करूँ? I'm different.
Yeah, but the first shot of the trailer is very interesting. मतलब आप उनको ऐसे उठा रहे हैं and like ऐसा हेलमेट पहन के आप नहीं.
That's in fact his favorite scene.
ये let's talk about this shot.
थोड़ा light डालिए.
Please throw some light on this.
That we shot at Virar Lake.
जी. विरार में लेक भी है?
हाँ, लेक था वहाँ पे हमने शूट किया है.
नहीं ये जोकिंग.
चॉपर के लिए हमें सिर्फ दो घंटे की परमिशन मिली थी.
It's dirty.
And it has got crocodiles in it.
No, that is in Powai Lake.
अरे in this one also there are crocodiles over there.
And no one told me I'm lying like this in that shot. जल्दी shot.
Yeah, तो दूसरी तरफ से बैंक से इन लोगों को दिख रहा है कि वहाँ से क्रोकोडाइल पानी में आ रहा है.
मुझे नहीं
हम
पता.
लोग ये बैंक पे शूट कर रहे हैं.
आप मतलब this is not a कहानी है.
This is not a कहानी. This is what happened. दूसरी तरफ से क्रोकोडाइल घुसा अभी पानी में. इनको बोला अच्छा जल्दी ले लो जल्दी because obviously it's too far. It's not gonna come so soon.
Yeah.
तब तक हमारा शॉट हो जाएगा.
एक सेकंड ये हार्नेस पे है.
या मैं लेटी हूँ आराम से. इतनी जल्दी क्या है? मुझे पहले बैलेंस बनाने दो. मैं ऊपर चॉपर में हूँ. मैं सोच रहा हूँ इतनी जल्दी क्यों फेंक रहे हो मुझे नीचे? What's the hurry?
But he's still safe ना. कुछ अगर होता है तो you can always lift him up. मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी?
I'll lift you.
So how did you get this film and like you know what was the brief given to you कि मतलब what are we looking at in this
So
film?
a call from Bhushan, I think regarding the film, and I met him and I met Vivek, our director, and he said ऐसे love story है. आप सुन लीजिए बस directly. तो they didn't say much and of course पूछने की जरूरत नहीं थी कि who's doing the music and all because music and T-series they are almost synonymous now.
Yes.
तो मैंने कहानी सुनी और मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. I love my character Suhani because if I go back to all the characters which I've played, this is something which I relate a lot because it's a Desi Punjabi kudi girl from Amritsar. So I totally loved it. I love the love story.
I think the uniqueness would be the fact that ये लड़का जो है आर्मी से है और लड़की जो है इनफैक्ट
आप उनको बचाते हैं from विरार लेक.
हाँ विरार लेक से बचाता हूँ. But she turns out to be from an army background herself.
Okay. Oh.
And still her family is against the fact that you cannot be with an army guy.
Okay.
So that conflict
Suspense भी है.
we see a lot in real life as well.
But a lot of families will relate to the situation when they'll watch it because it's true. It's from somebody's true.
This is also from a true incident where the girl wasn't allowed to be with a guy who was
and she had 3 men from her family
who were in the army.
martyrs.
Achha. Lovely. Thank you so much guys for coming out here and all the best for your film.
Thank you.
And please take care.
Radio